In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to restore changes in WordPress. Restoring changes in WordPress can be approached in several ways, depending on the type of changes you want to revert. If you've made changes to a post or page and want to revert to a previous version, then all you need to do is, in your WordPress admin dashboard, hover over Posts and click on All Posts. Edit any of the existing posts as you like. And now you need to access Revisions. You can find this section in the right sidebar or below the editor. Scroll through the revisions to find the version you want to restore. Select the revision you want to restore. Click the Restore this revision button, and click the Update or Publish button to save the restored version. And this is how easy it is to restore changes in WordPress. Now, in case you want to learn how to create a download link, then you can learn that as well. I've linked the video in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.